Once upon a time, in a small cozy town named Sunnyville, there lived two curious and adventurous siblings named Max and Mia. Max was 12 years old and Mia was 10. They loved exploring new things and solving puzzles. One day, while playing in their treehouse, they stumbled upon an old dusty book titled The Secret to Earning Gold Coins Online. Intrigued, they opened it and discovered the magical world of Amazon affiliate marketing. Chapter 1. The Mysterious Book. The book explained that Amazon affiliate marketing was like being a treasure hunter. Instead of digging for gold, they could earn gold coins, commissions, by recommending products they loved to others. All they had to do was share special links, and if someone bought something using their link, they'd earn a reward. Mia's eyes sparkled. Max! Imagine earning money while helping people find cool stuff. Max grinned. Let's do it! But how do we start? The book had step-by-step instructions, and the siblings decided to follow them carefully. Chapter 2. Creating their treasure map. Amazon affiliate account. The first step was to create an Amazon affiliate account. Max and Mia ran home, grabbed their mom's laptop, with her permission of course, and went to the Amazon Associates website. Signing up, they clicked on the Join Now for Free tab button and filled out the form with their details. Since they were kids, they used their mom's information, with her help, website or social media. The book explained that they needed a place to share their links. Max and Mia didn't have a website, but they had a YouTube channel where they shared fun videos about their adventures. They entered their YouTube channel link in the application, tax and payment info. Their mum helped them fill in the tax information and choose a payment method, direct deposit to her bank account. After submitting the application, they waited for approval. A few days later, they received an email. Welcome to Amazon Associates. They were officially Amazon affiliates. Chapter 3. Finding the treasure. Choosing products. Now it was time to find products to recommend. The book explained that they should choose things they genuinely loved and thought others would enjoy too. Max and Mia brainstormed. Max loved playing video games, so he decided to recommend gaming accessories, like headsets and controllers. Mia loved arts and crafts, so she chose colorful markers, sketchbooks, and DIY kits. They logged into their Amazon Associates dashboard and used the product linking tool to search for these items. For each product, they created a special affiliate link. The tool made it super easy. Chapter 4. Sharing the treasure map. Promoting their links. Next, they needed to share their links with the world. The book suggested several ways. YouTube videos. They created a video called Our Favorite Gaming Gear and Craft Supplies and added their affiliate links in the video description. Social media. They shared their links on their family's Facebook page with their mom's help and on their YouTube community tab. Talking to friends. They told their friends at school about the cool products they found and shared their links. Mia even made a colorful poster for their treehouse with QR codes that linked to their favorite products. Max thought it was genius. Chapter 5. The First Gold Coin. Earning commissions. A week later, Max and Mia checked their Amazon Associates dashboard. To their amazement, they saw that 3 people had bought products using their links. They had earned their first $10 in commissions. Mia jumped up and down. We did it, Max! We're treasure hunters! Max high-fived her. And the best part is, we helped people find stuff they needed. Their mom was so proud of them. They could even save up for something special, like a new bike or a family vacation. Chapter 6. The treasure chest grows. Scaling up. Max and Mia didn't stop there. They learned new tricks from the book. Writing reviews. they started writing honest reviews of the products they recommended and posted them on their YouTube channel and social media, creating lists. They made top 5 lists, like top 5 gifts for gamers and top 5 craft kits for kids. Learning SEO. The book taught them about keywords and how to make their videos and posts easier to find online. As they worked harder, their earnings grew. They even started a savings jar labeled treasure chest to keep track of their gold coins. Chapter 7. The Lesson of the Adventure. One evening as they counted their earnings, Mia said, "Max, this is so much fun. We're helping people, learning new skills, and earning money at the same time." Max nodded. "And we didn't give up, even when it felt tricky at first." Their mom smiled. "You two have learned something valuable. With curiosity, hard work, and a little help, you can achieve anything." The end. Or just the beginning. Max and Mia's adventure was just the start. They continued exploring the world of online earning, trying new ideas, and sharing their journey with others. And who knows, maybe one day they'll write their own book to help other kids become treasure hunters too. Moral of the story: earning online through Amazon affiliate marketing is like going on a treasure hunt. It takes curiosity, effort, and persistence. But with the right steps, anyone can succeed. Start small, learn along the way, and soon you'll be earning your own gold coins.